In this video, I'll show you how to check the best time to post on Facebook step by step. If you have a Facebook page or professional profile, you can use Insights to find out when your audience is most active. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your page. Go to your Facebook page, then open the Professional Dashboard. Next, tap Insights and look for the Audience or Followers section. Here, you'll find information about your audience, including the days and times when your followers are most active. Review this data carefully and note the hours with the highest activity. These are usually the best times to publish new posts, reels, or videos for better reach and engagement. You can also compare the performance of your previous posts to see which posting times received the most likes, comments, shares, and views. Use this information to create a consistent posting schedule. Keep checking your insights regularly, because your audience's activity can change over time. Posting when your followers are online gives your content a better chance of reaching more people. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.